the Pokemon parade. We had no intentions of making a video today, but it was too much fun not to. Yeah, all the kids got hats. It was awesome.
And
so,
ball fans. Yeah. I can't show you right now.
It was hot. It was really hot. So we stopped for ice cream. Banana ice cream that's getting everywhere. McFlurries all around, Sprites. It was hot. So now we are going to head bowling. So we just figured, hey, we'll film our Saturday and we'll post all of our Saturday today. Do you guys like the parade? Yeah. Awesome.
Let's go! 1, 2
Okay, where's our next adventure to?
The Aeon Mall.
The Aeon Mall.
And the Pokemon store.
And the Pokemon store. All right.
Which one, Mom?
We are going to 4.
Oh, rather than first. Okay. There's even a bench.
So we've entered the Raycon Mall, which is one of the other malls here on the island. Recognize some Babies R Us, Toys R Us. I think this one's 5 levels, I think. This is where the kids want to go. It's the Pokemon store. But we actually have to buy movie tickets for the theater. Tomorrow we're gonna go try to see the new Marvel movie, Doctor Strange. So we've come across a Hello Kitty popcorn vending machine. Alright, do you want butter flavor or lightly salted?
What's that?
I don't know. No idea. Well, you're getting it now because that's what you just pushed. Alright, then turn it.
Oh, that's actually...
Are you gonna make the popcorn?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Be careful, it might be hot.
Ooh, it smells
Does it
good.
smell like popcorn?
It smells like caramel.
Like caramel? Okay. Alright, let's have Mr. Jeff open that so that we just make sure nobody gets burned. Seriously. Is it hot?
Yeah.
It's hot, real popcorn out of a vending machine at a mall.
And it smells like caramel, like straight up.
Oh, it does smell like caramel. So I wonder if that's caramel. I'll have to translate it and I'll put it here, yes or no, if it actually says caramel. All right, so everybody want to try a piece?
Careful, it's super hot.
Is it good? Everybody approves? Awesome. Okay, we picked up our movie tickets for tomorrow.
Yay!
Yay. You want a quick little peek around the theater here? We're still eating our popcorn because that's the best. And now where are we going? What's the next store?
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Yeah.
We've made it to the Pokemon Epicenter. Not really. This is just a little store. But this is my favorite little part. Look at the little Pokemon. It's like the drummers that we watched this morning. I love it. So as you can see, it's actually a pretty small store, but the kids love it. Oh, she wants her money. Can you get it? Got it. So we ended up back in American Village for sushi. And I forgot to video any of it inside. But you can kind of see them still making sushi. The kids love the fact that they do a torch in here. You can kind of see them doing it right there. This is the favorite part of sushi for the kids. Typically, this is a little conveyor belt that pushes the sushi around, but there's just not enough people in there tonight. Was it good?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Crab and cheese. See in the video.
What was your favorite, Alexis?
I mostly like the jelly, but I did like the crab and the cheese.
Okay, Madeline?
I mostly like the rice.
The rice.
Oh,
Madeline's our non-seafood eater.
No. I can do
So that's perfect. Now we are headed over to watch the fireworks. Typical Saturday night. Except there's no fireworks yet. I don't know what's happening. Madeline and Camden out there dancing. We finished the fireworks, did a little dance party.
and saw a water jetpack.
Water jetpack, but no night is complete without vending machines. Hey, Maritas, look.
Georgia coffee.
My personal favorite, the Okinawan Shikwashka tea.
This one?
That one. Hey look, Mom, more Georgia coffee. We told you Georgia coffee's in all these vending machines.
Want anything?
I'll have the Shikwashka tea actually. Okay, we got our drinks. We are done. Everybody's exhausted. We've had a busy day. Started at the beach, ended at the beach. Typical day in Okinawa.